Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter of history, the River Valley Civilizations. Students, open your notebooks and books also to note down the important points and to underline these points. As the history is the new subject for you, so first of all I like to define the meaning of history. History is the recorded story of past. History is the story of the events of the past. It gives us a knowledge about the different events of the past. In 5th class you have read how the human beings appeared on the earth. In the starting they lived in the forests and then they started to live a settled life. The human beings appeared on the earth near about 40,000 BC. Students, here I would like to define the meaning of BC. BC means before the birth of Jesus Christ. The time which was before the Jesus Christ, that was known as a BC. And after the appearance of human being, the time was divided into 3 ages: the Paleolithic age, the Mesolithic age, and the Neolithic age. The Paleolithic age was the time when the man discovered the fire and he used the stone for hunting. And in the Mesolithic age he also used the stone, but these stones were more sharp than the Paleolithic age. The third age was Neolithic age. That was the time when the man started to do agriculture and he started to live in the houses. Means they started to live a settled life. And this age was near about 3000, starts from 3000 BC. Students, open your books on page number 15. Underline the first word meaning Neolithic age. Neolithic age was also known as New Stone Age, is the period of human history extending from 8000 BC to 4000 BC. You have to do this till 4000 BC. As I already defined that in the Neolithic age, man lived in the small villages. But with the time what happened, these villages converted into the largest villages, and slowly these larger villages converted into the towns and the cities. Students, here I am going to show you the pictures of the villages and the towns. These were the villages where the people were living in the starting, and slowly these villages converted into the larger towns and man started to live a settled life. When the man started to live the settled life, then the civilization was began. So students, underline the definition of the civilization. When man began to live in towns, it marked the beginning of civilization. It is also defined as civilization may be explained as that stage of man's development when he started looking beyond the simple satisfaction of basic needs of food, clothing and shelter. In the starting I told you the man lived in the forest and he didn't eat the cooked food, but slowly he discovered the fire, agriculture, and now he started to live in the houses. So now their needs were not simple, and now with the time their needs started to increase and the new civilization started. In India, the civilization which was found, that was known as the Indus Valley civilization. Why it is known as the Indus Valley civilization? Because the Indus is the name of the river where this civilization was found, and the people were living near this river, and they lived the settled life near this river. In India, the Indus Valley civilization was found, but rather than in India, in other countries the civilizations were found. These civilizations were known as the Tigris Euphrates civilization that was found in Mesopotamia. I am going to show you the map that was found near the Mesopotamia. And second was Nile Valley civilization that was found near the Nile River. And the fourth was Hwang Hu civilization that was found near the Hwang Hu River, and that is in China. And the next was Greek civilization and the Iranian civilization. These were the civilization which were found when the Indus Valley civilization was found. These all were the major ancient civilizations. Our next point is why people started settling near rivers. Why during the ancient time people settled near the rivers. The main reasons behind this were, first was the water, the need of the water. The people lived near the rivers for drinking water, because the people need water to drink. And second thing, why they settled near the rivers? The soil which was found near the rivers was fertile. For agriculture, they started to live near the rivers. Third, for transport, as in the past time the people uses boats for transport, and for transport also they started to settle near the rivers. The next point is the Indus Valley